Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel at ngayon ay i-unbox namin itong DJI Neo 2, yung bagong labas ng drone ng DJI. Ito yung tinatawag na smart drone o yung selfie drone. Tara, unbox natin.
So here we have the box of the drone, and as you can see, it has instructions and stuff, but we'll talk about that later. So let's first open this up. There we got the seal off, and now let's. Whoa. So let's start with the drone, which is over here. Here's the drone and its finest glory. Let's take it out. Careful, I might break it. So let's just take off this cover. No. So this is the camera cover, and here's the camera. So it's like full articulation, I guess, like 180 or something. Is that not complete 360 though? But it definitely has a lot of rotation. So here we have the antennas, as well as a second camera. Here are the propeller guards, as well as the battery and the battery holder, where you put the battery in. And on the underside, there is a third camera. Here are the sensors, and this is the exhaust. Am I right? For the drone not to overheat. So next we'll move on to this box. So let's open. See. So here we have some extra propellers. We have charging cables, I think.
Connector.
Oh, here we have the manual. Oh, we'll get to this later. Hirap itanggal. I don't want to damage it, but oh gosh. What is this?
Battery
Oh, these are the batteries. Look,
and battery charger.
the battery charger. Okay. And what's left in here? Some more cables. Okay. So let's start with the extra batteries and the battery charger. So here we have the extra batteries. Let's just take one out. This is supposed to go over here, but since there's already a battery here, I won't replace it. That's what it looks like. And here is the battery charger. So this is the phone connector. between the cell phone and the controller. And this, what is this called?
Type C.
Type C
Cable.
cable. So here we have the two cables. This one is used for connecting your cell phone to the controller. And this one, the Type C cable, is used to charge the battery charger. Even yung charger, dapat i-charge. Next, we have the manual. So, let's open it. Clear it up. And it even comes with a little screwdriver. Look. So they come with a little sticker. How cute. So we have the manuals right here. Obviously this is used for knowing how this thing works, okay? And many of the other things. So second to the last are these extra propellers, just in case these propellers that come with the drone breaks. Let's open one of these. I'm not opening the other, so I can stay. I'm just opening this to show you guys. Look, it looks exactly like these. You can get a better look. Here's the other side. Top. And last but not least, the controller for the drone. Here it is. The thing that you've been waiting for. So it has many features. Here's how to turn it on and off. This one, the H,
Home.
I don't really know what home means. Sorry, but here, this can actually extend. And this is where you can put your phone to see the footage of the drone. There's actually cables in here. These ones are just extras. These are the actual ones. So this is to record right here. And if you've been wondering, wait, where's the joysticks? Why is it just thumbs? Well, here are the joysticks. They're in here. You just pop them out and just screw them up here. Now you can just control them with this. That's all for today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed, and tomorrow we'll be testing out the drone. So another day, another vlog. Arya!